Good evening, all. We will quickly revise what we learned yesterday. Please mute. Is it visible to everyone? The screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll quickly revise what we learned yesterday and day before yesterday. Okay. First class was Introduction to IV and Civil 3D. In this class, we understood that what is road and why the road is developed. Why need to construct the road? And what is the purpose of road, and also we studied the types of highways according to the speed and the function, right? For example, we took Nagpur to Goa expressway. In this we studied the cross section of this highway. In this cross section we learn the carriageway width, what is shoulder, what is carriageway width, what is road margin, what is building line, control line. We all done yesterday and day before yesterday. Then we go on for with the introduction to the civil 3D. In this civil 3D, we learn the interface of civil 3D. Then the settings in the civil 3D, right? In the settings, we learn first setting of drawing templates. Template setting we learn. It is a simple process. First, open new drawing, click options in civil 3D application menu, then go to the files tab, then template setting, then select default template by browsing, right? We learn this. This is the first time only we need to do this setting. Afterwards, it will automatically take all the necessary settings required for the future drawings. Then next setting we done, that is a unit setting, right? Drawing units according to the metric system. We set the drawing units. Then we setting the drawing zone. We done the drawing zone setting, that is geolocation setting. In that, according to the project, we set the drawing zones. Like steps are in home tab. Click on the tool space button. Then tool space vertical bar will open at the left side window. Click on the setting tab. Then right click on the drawing, set the categories and coordinate system as per project location. You can see below, we set UTM WGS 84 as a datum, and in that UTM zone 43 north. This is based on the project location we need to set 43 or 44 for the Maharashtra location. You can see the zone map. According to this zone map, we set the UTM zones, right? Then afterwards, we in the second class we learn what is survey data and how existing surface creation will be done. That in that first point data, in that we learn the many types of points, like here is shown, that P and Z, P and ZD, NEZ, NEZD. You can see this. P means points, E means easting, N means northing, Z means elevation, and D is a description. You can see there's a space delimited or comma delimited. We all learn this. Once again, I will show the points data. This is a points data. It is a space delimited. The first one is points. second north easting, second third one is a northing, and then elevation, then description. This can be a vary according to the site survey. What points need to taken, that northing and easting is most important, and the elevation, third one. These 3 points very required in the survey data. Without that, the surface will not be generated. Okay. Then after we learn creation of surface, right? After importing the points from the points import points, we imported the points in the PENZD data space delimited. Then after that, we importing after for visibility, we enter Z inter, E inter, zoom inter, extend inter. Then the visibility of points will be there. Then we started creating surface in the prospector tab. Under the surfaces, we created the surface naming, that is existing surface, and we selected the contour style according to the site we develop. If it is a very hilly terrain, then contours will be small sizes. If a flat terrain, the contour sizes will be more differ. Likewise, 0.5 meter interval, it is for the hilly terrain, and 2 meter, 5 meter, it is interval for the plain terrain. Right? Likewise, we selected. Then after that, we named the surface. After naming named the surface, we added the points, all group points in the definition tab, and we seen that the surface was generated. Also, contour lines are minor, major contour lines along with the boundary, surface boundary was generated. This was a points based surface creation. Then after we learn the based on the contour lines, drone survey, based on the drone survey, we done the surface. Same, only it is a drawing file that given by the surveyor. Directly open that and create the name surface. Then define under definition, add contours and add points. Then click OK. Then you will get the existing surface. Same as earlier in points data. Then actual ground data survey, that is manual survey. In that also we get directly the drawing file from the survey team. Directly import that, directly open that in the Civil 3D and name the surface and add the surface features, that is contours and points. Then click OK and you will get the existing surface. These three types yesterday we learned. Then next step we will learn today. Until now, anyone have any doubts? Please ask. Yes, anyone have any doubts?
At present, no doubt. Okay.
Okay. We will start today's class. In today's class, I hope all of you installed that global mapper in your desktop or a laptop, and also Google Earth, right? I will show what steps for the survey data by SRTM. SRTM, it is a data developed by, it is a elevational data developed by NASA and NGA. They developed the surface of all the terrain in all over the world, right? Right now, I will open the global mapper. Before that, global mapper, we need to select the area where to need to develop the road or where need to start the alignment. For that, we will open Google Earth, right? Before opening global mapper, we open Google Earth. You can see Google Earth will looks like this, right? This is a Google Earth. You can see there is a total world is, you can see here from this. In this, we select a particular area where we want to develop the road. I will take the Nagpur to Goa alignment only. In that, you can see this is a Nagpur. You can see this is a Nagpur and this is a Goa, right? From here to here, we want to develop the alignment. Like it is a total 800 kilometer. In that, I will take some of stretches in the Nagpur city. You can see it is a Nagpur city. Uh, you can see this is a Samruddhi Mahamarga. This is a Samruddhi Mahamarga. This is one. From that, we take one alignment. It is an example, not actual. We will develop the road from, I will mark the path, right? We'll develop like this road. We will do like this. And this is, I want to develop this road, right? Nagpur, it is towards Goa. We will develop this road. For this road, right? For this road, we need the existing surface. For that, we'll consider the area for required for this. SRTM will provide the contour lines, not contour, it is a contour lines from the global mapper. Only we need to select the area, which area we want to develop. Like now uh, I drawn the alignment. You can see now I need the area. Now I add polygon here. You can see now I want this surface data of this area. I am selecting the surface. Okay, this is a surface. I want this area. This area contour lines are needed to develop the existing surface. Right now I will draw the polygon area. Now I will save this file. Save. Save place as. This is a Nagpur to Goa starting alignment. Starting alignment surface area. Right. Now I saved this. Now it is the selection of the area is done with the Google Earth, right? It is also done in Civil 3D also, but for the Civil 3D you need the license version. So I accepted that. Now I shared in the Google Earth, right? It is a simple one. Now I selected the area. Now I will close this. Now the file is there. Google Nagpur to Goa starting alignment surface area. Okay, now I will open global mapper, right? This is a global mapper interface. This is a global mapper interface. In this, you can see their first steps, file, edit, view, tools. These all there in that global mapper. Only what we need that I will teach with you. In that, first of all, open the data file, that is what is marked up by in the Google Earth, that will I will open, right? Now you can see the area is developed. Now we need to see it is Nagpur related or any other religion. For that, we need to set the settings, zone setting, right? Same like in the Civil 3D, what we done, same we will do in this also. You can see this is a setting icon. Click on that. You can in the projection default, in the projection, you go in the projection, then set the unit. You can see it is a WGS 84. We select WGS 84, then add datum. Same, it is a 43 zone. Will I set the degree? WGS 84 we selected, add datum. Okay. Not coming the setting. Anything happened with the global mapper is not allowing to set the zones. Right. One
So
minute.
for the in projection UTM option.
Yes.
Yes, in projection and UTM option. Right.
Projection.
सर यार ये जियोग्राफिक लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड है वहाँ
जियोग्राफिक लोकेशन यूटीएम
हाँ
यूटीएम
उसमें
आएगा
है
यूटीएम
ऊपर
But
ऊपर ऊपर
it is not allowing to set
तो
the zone. Right. You can see
नहीं
this is yes.
प्रोजेक्शन प्रोजेक्शन
I gone there only, but it is not allowing. In the projection, no. Right.
जियोग्राफिक
First of all, we need to develop the entire connect online data. We need to first do connect it to online data. Right. Click on this Google Earth. We develop SRTM worldwide elevation data. Then click, then connect. Right. It will automatically connect the total elevation of the earth. Right. After that, we set the units. Go in the projection. Then also it will ask me. WGS 54 add datum. Default time. Now we set Nagpur. Okay. WGS. WGS 84. Apply. Okay. WGS. Wait 1 minute. I'll show you. Okay, it is coming in under the default. In the default, select tab. You can select UTM. Then select it is a Nagpur area is under comes under 44 northern hemisphere. It is a WGS 84. Then click OK. Then apply. OK. Now you can see the Nagpur area is the now then we will go with the digitizer tool. Now we need to digitize that the area. With selected area, we need to digitize, right? That is selection. It is means selection of that area. Then after we will generate the contour lines, right? In the contour, you can see there is a create contour lines, right? Create contour lines. Click on that. Then you can see in the contour bounds, this window will open contour generation options. In that, go in the contour bounds, then select at the last crop the crop to selected area, right? Click OK. The contour lines will generate now. It will take 2-3 minutes. If the larger area is very large, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes also. You can see the contour lines now generated. You can see you can see the contour lines, right? These are contour lines of selected area. We taken the contour lines. Now we want to take these contour lines in the civil 3D, right? For that, click on generator, right click on the generator contour tab in this, then go to the layer and export to the new file, right? Generated contours will we want to export, then click OK. We select the file. It is a we need the drawing file, that is DWG. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then in this tab, export bonds. Then same we need to crop. Likewise, then click OK. It will ask to save the generated contour surface. Now it is a existing contour lines. Right. I will save this file. Now we will go in the civil 3D. Likewise, we will take first new drawing. The setting must be before done that units and the zone setting and also template, right? After doing all that, these steps need to be followed. In that, we will directly open that file. Click open file. I saved on the desktop. It is opening existing contour line, right? I will opening that. You can see the contour lines were now displayed in the civil 3D, right? First of all, we need to copy this all. Right click, clipboard, copy. Right now, I will take the new drawing because I took new drawing. Why? It is because the settings will not be given in the global mapper. It will not be set automatically. For the setting of automatically all the units, templates, and geolocation, we need to take the new drawing. In the new drawing, right click, then clipboard, paste to the original coordinate. Same, it is not visible right now. Then we need to do Z enter, E enter. Right? You can see now the contour lines. Now I will close previous files all that not needed right now. Then we need to create 2 folders in every project. First, I will create that. Now, first folder is a project name. Now it is a Nagpur, Goa, right? In Nagpur, Goa, first of all, create one folder as a survey data, right? Second one is a model. Third one is templates, right? This folder in every project we need to develop the we need to create these 3 folders, right? Now I created. Now I will go save this drawing. I will save as in the project Nagpur, Goa. In the survey data, it is a survey data, so I am saving in the survey data. It is a Nagpur, Goa survey data, survey contour. contour data, survey SRTM data, right? Likewise, what we done yesterday, that points all we need to save it as a in the survey folder. After that, same folder we need to save same as a in the model data, right? In the I will go in the model. In the model, same Nagpur Goa. It is a now it will become existing surface, and furtherly it is used for alignment. Now it is I am saving it as a alignment, right? Why need to save like this? It is only because what survey data we took for the design, it to be there for every time, right? After that, we same process in the surfaces tab. We create a new surface. It is named as a existing surface. Then I will choose it is a plain terrain. That's why I am choosing 2 meter to 1 meter to 5 meter design. Right? Okay. Then click OK. Now the surface will be created. Now I will add the surface data. It is a contour data, right? Now I will go in contour, add contour lines. Okay. Click. Then I will add every data in that. Now the surface will be generated. Likewise, you can see these are the all contour lines. These are contour lines, and this is a boundary to the surface. Okay. Until now, everyone understood? Yes. Please thumbs up if you understood everything.
Yes, yes, I understood.
Okay. Now we will proceed to the alignment, right? Before proceeding to the alignment, I will on the geolocation where the project we need to develop to get idea of the project. Before that, we need to set the drawing setting units. Right, it is a 44, right? Then apply, click OK. In geolocation, go. Okay, it is map is not working right now. Okay, this is alignment. We can see uh, this side is a Nagpur, and this farther end is Goa. Now we touch from Nagpur to Goa. We need to develop the alignment, right? After creation of the surface, we will create the alignment. Alignment, you can see in the Home tab, there is a alignment icon, right? You can see in the alignment, there are many types. You can see first alignment creation tool, create best fit alignment, create alignment from object, create alignment from corridor. This all will be there, right? Now we will use create alignment creation tools, right? We need to develop by ourselves. That's why I am taking alignment creation tool, right? Now I click alignment tool. Now I name it as Nagpur Goa. Nagpur Goa center line. The alignment will be only center line. What we do only we will mark the center line of the road project, right? In the same now uh, we already set the templates. That's why it is coming SSDCPL proposed center line as a alignment style. You can see there are many things. we set template, that's why it is coming SHDCPL propose a center line, right? In the alignment style, we select SHDCPL propose center line. In the alignment label set, will select SHDCPL major and minor. Like in the general tab, in the design criteria tab, we'll now it is a expressway. We will design it to 100 kmph, right? Kilometer per hour. Now we need to set the design criteria for the alignment, right? For the setting the design criteria, we need to select this, right click on this, use criteria design base, then use design criteria file. Now clicking on the triple dot, we'll set the uh, IRC standard code, right? Day before I shared the IRC road standard template, right? That only you need to paste here and select that, right? IRC road standards, right? Select that. You can see IRCSP plain terrain, rolling terrain, expressway, all the codes will come in the minimum radius table. Right now I'm selecting the IRCSP 19 expressway. Right, it is a 6 lane. It will applicable to all lanes. Right. Then use design checks. It is a basic only. Then we come to the general. Then select OK. Then the pop-up window bar will open like this. After creating, this pop-up window will open. In that, the first 1, 2, 3 before this is a break line, right? You can see this. These are the break lines. These break lines have a function in the Civil 3D. Before first break line, these all the creation tools, right? Alignment creation tools. First one is create alignment. Then it is a PI point of intersection of two tangents. By adding this, we can add this by clicking this. Then the third one, delete PI. If you want to delete any, you will understand this in the upcoming. Then this before second break line, from first to second break line, these are all the related to curves, right? Related to horizontal curves. Then next, you can see this is a related to object information. These all related to object information, curve details or anything. We will go this. You will understand all this. Don't worry. Now I will create alignment. Then first I will go with this draw tangent with no curves, right? I will go with this. Now I will click the points where this is a starting point. I assume this as a starting point, right? I will assume this as a starting point. I will create the alignment, right? Okay. The surface has any fault. That's why it's not taking. Now I will open the point surface data, what we done yesterday. No, it is not creating, it is taking the errors, right? Now we'll open yesterday's surface created data. Open yesterday's surface creation data, right? We did the surface creation by point survey data, right? I will open this. Now I will create alignment in this. That the file is not working. The SRTM data not as actual what we need, that not came. That's why now I'll take the surface creation by points yesterday what we did, right? Now I will take the alignment, then alignment creation tool. Then I will set the alignment name as a simple Nagpur Goa. Then center line, it is the same. Design criteria of 100. I will select the design files. Then I will set the expressway. It is a 6 lane. That okay. Now you can see this top-up window. In that tangent, no curves. Right? I will take the first starting point here. Then I will draw the alignment. Right? This is my alignment. You see, this is alignment. After clicking alignment, you can see this data will develop. Like this, the alignment will be. We will draw only center line of the project, right? This is the center line of the project. In this, you can see it is a simple curve I taken, simple alignment, shorten alignment. The project may vary around 45 kilometers, 80 kilometers. Now this is a 2 kilometer stretch I have to, for example, as an example. Okay. Now you can see it is a starting with a zero chainage. It will go like this. Then there will, these are the two tangents. We need to add the curves in this, right? Like this, we add to these curves to then end the alignment, right? First of all, now I will show what is PI insertion point. Like when we select the alignment, all PI will open. That triangular portion, it is a PI point, right? If I want to add any PI, then insert PI point. You can see now I added PI points, right? You can see now alignment changed like this. If you want to delete any PI point, same, click on the delete icon, then click on same. Now you can see the original alignment came, right? Now we will understand the IRC code related to horizontal curves, right? Only we added the tangents, right? Now we need to add the curves, right? For the curves, we will go with the IRC 38. You can see in the Chrome, you can type law resources IRC. You will get all the IRC Indian Road Congress list and their IRC codes. You can see these all the list of IRC codes and their PDF also is available. By clicking one click, you will get all the IRC codes. Right now, I want to IRC 38 1998. It is a guidelines of design of horizontal curves for the highways and design tables. Right. I will click IRC 038. Now it will open PDF. You can see in this, I will teach what is related to the civil 3D and what is required for the highway. I will teach that only in this. This code is basically for the horizontal curves for the highways, right? In this, you can go in free while time. This all related to horizontal curves. What we learn in the bachelor's degree, that all taught here also, that all given in this PDF also. You can see these all related to curves, right? You can go through this. What required for the civil 3D, I will teach you. On the page number 31, they are given minimum transition length for different speed and curve radius. This is only mostly needed for the development of horizontal curves. Here you can see the first column is a curve radius, RC in meters, right? These are all the curve radiuses. And there is a horizontal first row, it is a speed related, right? 100, 80, 65, 50, 40, 35. Likewise, they given. At the last column, it is also curve radius. They are simplified to take this. They are written on both sides, in both at the start and end also, end columns. In that, we designing 100 km per hour. We will go in this column, right? In this, we can see there is for every kilometer per hour they given P and H values, right? You can see this is a column. First, I will download 1 minute. On page number 31, right? Here you can see we they are given two values for every kilometer, right? You can see for 65 they are given two values, for 50 they are given two values, like P and H. The P is known as a plain terrain, right? And H is a hilly terrain. They are given notation here. What is P? What is H? Right? NA means radius not applicable. NR means transition not required. Likewise, we will follow with these values. You can see for expressway for 100 km in the hilly terrain, it is not applicable. Right? We can't design in the hilly terrain 100 km per hour speed road. And see, it is for 80 also it is not applicable. 65 also it is not applicable. We can design 50 km per hour in the hilly terrain. Right? I think overdoses is going on. I thought we will quickly wind up this class with one curve. You can see now we will go with the 100 km per hour speed. Now you can see the for the plain terrain in Nagpur, Goa, it is all about nearby Nagpur. It is all plain terrain, right? For that, you can see there is a minimum radius. You can set 350. Above that, there is no values. You can see the minimum value is a 350, and above 350, you have an all values. You can see above 2000, they given NR, that is radius transition not required. These all values are the transition values. Like I will show what is transition. You can see for the any curves, we'll have main curve, and we'll have a transition curves. These have two transition curves. You can see this middle one portion is a main curve, and after that you can see this one is a transition, right? Then that middle one, it is a simple curve. Is a simple curve. This is a transition curve. This is also transition curve, right? It is a starting transition curve. Starting. It is a starting transition curve, and this is a end transition curve, right? In this IRC table, they given the transition length required for different speed and for different radiuses, right? Now we will go for the 350. They have given the transition length for 100 km per hour. They given 130, right? Above that they given all values. Now we will take the smallest one, 350 curve radius and 130 is a transition length, right? Now we will go in the this table, then in Civil 3D. We'll select the curve, right? In this,
The 130 transition length is both side or one single side?
both side 130. 130
Okay.
simple curve, then 130. You can see in this curve table, we will go for the free spiral curve spiral, right? What we learn right now, that is a spiral and simple curve, then spiral. That only we will took this. Now you can see it is asking select the first entity. First entity is the first tangent, right? The next entity is the next tangent, right? Now it will select the less than 180 curve. Then it will ask specify the radius. Now radius it is a 350, right? Click OK. Then it will asking the specify the spiral in length. It is a 130, right? Then specify, it is again asking specify the spiral out length, right? It is also 130. These are the minimum values. We can give maximum anything value to the infinity. Minimum it is 130. You can see the curve we developed, right? You can see this is the curve. It is a central, this is a central curve, and these are that green color, it is a spiral, right? This is a straight curve, this is a straight line, and the two spirals, then one curve, right? Like this we develop all
Sir,
the curves.
can you explain again once, like how you drawn it?
Okay, I will draw one more curve.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, these are two tangents. I want to add the curve. If it is straight only, the vehicles will not go in the smooth way. That's why we will add the curves, right? In the horizontal curves, we will add the pre-spiral curve spiral. Pre-curve spiral, right? We will select that. It is asking first entity, select next entity, less than 180, specify radius. Radius is 350. We can give maximum above 350, anything value. I will give 400. Then for the 400, you can see it is a 115. Transition is 115. We can give maximum anything above 115. I will give 130. Spiral in and spiral out also. You can see the curve is added, right? Same, all the tangents will be merged to the curves along the alignment. This is a simple creation of alignment. I think everyone understood. Now we will stop this class. Please practice. Without practice, you will not understand anything. Practice is most important. Okay, we will stop now. Anyone have any doubts? Hello?
At present,
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you. I will share the recording to the in the class in the WhatsApp group. Please go through. You tomorrow there is no lecture. I will giving the time to the practice. Do the practice today, tomorrow. Day after tomorrow we'll have a class for the vertical alignment, right? Now we will stop.
Okay.
Please practice, 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 practice is most important tool for the design and everything. Without practice, you will not understand. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Rajat.
Thank you.